Do you feel like your mind will stop racing? Like no matter what you do, this just feels out of reach? You're not broken. You're not alone. You are experiencing anxiety, and your body is asking for healing. Anxiety affects women differently, shaped by hormones, life changes, and silent weight of daily expectations. But what if you had a guide? One rooted in nature, balance, and self-love. Introducing Break Free from Anxiety, a holistic guide by Dr. P Natural Health, a 7-day calm mind reset, a toolkit of natural remedies, a loving reminder that healing is within your reach. From magnesium-rich meals to mindful breathwork, from EFT tapping to digital detox, this book helps you return home to yourself. Anxiety doesn't define you, but it can lead you to your deepest strengths. Break free from anxiety. Natural, holistic, made for women. Your peace starts here. If you've felt any of the above symptoms, maybe heart palpitation, probably panic attack, this ebook is for you. Check out the description of this video or the link in the bio. This is your total natural tool to get yourself back again. Remember, your health is your wealth, so you should take your health seriously. You are not alone. Dr. P is here with you. Remember, anxiety can be very tricky, so don't ever feel shy of communicating or engaging. This is not sign of weakness, it is sign of strength. Subscribe to Dr. P Natural Health Hub YouTube and WhatsApp channel for more health related videos on how to eat healthy, eat clean, and live natural.